Before you scroll, listen to this. Your day is about to change because your thoughts are about to change. These affirmations are designed to set your mind for success, calm, and confidence. You don't need to do anything, just listen, breathe, and let the words sink in. Repeat silently or out loud if you'd like. Today, I choose peace over pressure. I am focused, calm, and grounded. Every small action I take today moves me closer to my goals. I am capable of amazing things, even if I don't feel ready yet. I radiate confidence and quiet strength. I am enough just as I am, and I'm always growing. No matter what happens today, I remain centered and strong. Success flows to me when I stay present. I release yesterday. I own today. If this made you feel even 1% better, imagine what daily affirmations could do. Subscribe for your daily mindset reset and let's grow together. Link in description to download a free printable version of these affirmations.